Business Equity Line of Credit, a new option for small business owners looking to expand. The benefits of a business equity line of credit for your company: loans faster and easier than ever. A friend who works in sales recommends applying for a line of credit at a local bank, which allows him to take advantage of an interest-free application period before having to pay back any loan outlay. He now knows that he will have to get a loan from a non-traditional lender and make sure to keep his best sales records as well as his financials. Small Business Equity Line of Credit. What you need to know to get a business equity line of credit. Your business will be required to put up collateral to get funds from the bank or lender in case you default on your loan agreement. An EOL can be helpful when borrowing money from banks or other private lenders is not an option due to reasons like the limited availability or because your current income does not support repayment of loans with long terms and high interest rates without risking bankruptcy. How does a business equity line of credit work? If you want to know how an equity line of credit for your business works but don't have time to read through a long article, this post is for you. The first thing you should know is that a business equity line of credit is not like a bank loan. Most banks have loan departments they use to lend money to individuals and businesses. Instead, if you want to borrow money from your bank or lender for your business, you'll have to do it through a non-personal lending department. How do I apply for a business equity line of credit? Most banks report that they can't provide an estimate of what your line of credit will be without first reviewing the information about your business. This is because your line of credit amount is based on several factors, including how much equity you have in your home, how much personal and home equity is available to you, and importantly, the amount you want to borrow. This also means that it's important not to stop with just one lender if you're looking for a business equity line of credit for your company. If you want to borrow more money for your business than what your bank is willing to loan, an equity line of credit might be a good option. An equity line gives you a loan or investment from the company that issued it. Business Home Equity Line of Credit. If you default on a loan and don't have collateral, you may find that you have no way to pay all of your debts. If this happens, the loan gets sold to another company, which goes after your assets, like your home or car, as part of their collection tactics used to recoup their losses. Although many companies use collateral from the companies they insure, some companies don't give credit for that protection but instead require more collateral from the business or even the owner personally if they want to borrow money. A business equity line of credit gives you a loan from a company that allows you to procure funds for your business without having to borrow from outside sources. The term equity line refers to the fact that the loan is secured by personal or home equity, as opposed to using cash like a bank loan. The best way to get started with securing an equity line is by talking with someone at your current financial institution who can recommend lenders in your area. You'll have plenty of options once you apply and talk about what type of loan would work best for your business needs. Equity lines of credit are most often unsecured loans, which means that borrowers usually have to agree on the amount that they need with the lender before they start applying for an equity line. The company may require collateral from your business to secure the loan. If the business fails, they will repossess this collateral and sell it off to recoup their losses, if there is no cash reserve. Business equity line of credit, good or bad? How to get approved for a business equity line of credit. A business equity line of credit is similar to a personal loan in that it fills the gap when cash flow is needed, but because it's secured by your company's value instead of your assets, you may be approved more quickly. You'll need to go through some paperwork and get a couple of bank statements before applying, but it should be pretty simple if you have some decent credit. Are you interested in working with a lender that offers alternative business financing? If you are looking to borrow some money, then an individual loan officer may be able to supply the funds today for use in your business. Whoever you're approaching should be able to assist you with contacting banks and credit unions in your area that offer small business loans. Business equity line of credit, good. There are many lenders in your area that can provide a business loan or line of credit for your company's needs. Start asking around, including local banks, and check with the Better Business Bureau (BBB), if there are any complaints filed against the lender as well as what the interest rates are before applying for the loan. Business referrals from past borrowers can help you get a better deal on your business loan. Many lenders will offer an interest-free application period, meaning you will pay nothing during this time. Some lenders may even require that you only make small payments over time, which can help if you're just starting with your business or need time to build a credit history. Business Equity Line of Credit Georgia. This will allow you to see how much money is coming in, where it's going out, or what it needs, and whether or not enough cash is available for important equipment purchases. Showing your business experience of generating sales and revenue for your company can give confidence to the lending institution that you can pay back the loan in an acceptable manner. Business Equity Line of Credit GA. When applying for credit or a business loan for your startup company, it is very important to present yourself in the best light possible because this will also help build up your reputation within the community. A business equity line of credit is a loan for small businesses. With a traditional bank loan, the bank looks at the company's assets as collateral. Give us a call at 888-653-0124 to learn more.